Black Widow Trucks, we aim to deliver an experience unlike anything else. We offer trucks that are proudly manufactured here in the United States and then taken to the next level. Horsepower, precision craftsmanship, and comfort are only a few of the many benefits of owning one of our custom vehicles. Black Widow Trucks promise to deliver at the highest level, on the road or on the trail. We take pride in our expert manufacturing process. Our workers are dedicated and put painstaking effort and attention to detail into each vehicle. You'll enjoy the advantages of hard American work as you dominate the highway. Each truck is designed with customer experience in mind, featuring only the best components. Purchasing a Black Widow is your ticket to an experience unmatched by anyone else in the industry. Our diverse line of vehicles offers drivers a wide selection of choices, no matter if you're looking for performance or luxury. A Black Widow promises to give drivers command of the road without sacrificing performance or comfort. Build your truck. Customize your experience. Visit foxfactoryvehicles.com.